one here with a look I got from eBay from China. It's a cross lock, sort of. Well, I suppose it's a triangular lock, isn't it? 2 pins either side, so 6 pins in total. Designed for cabinets. Cabinet bit, and there's the description. One of these days fling it through Google Translate. Now, the problem I've got here is I need to be able to tension it, but because the pins are where they are, I've got to be careful I don't actually bind up any of those pins. Also, I've got a sneaking feeling that no matter what, one side when I'm picking it, I'm going to be obscuring it through the camera. But we'll give it a go. Let's try this side. Right, I have no idea which way around we're going to go. Let's start with the top. Also, I don't want to completely turn it in case I drop pins in and then I knacker the lock, because I've done that with cross locks before now. My ability to break locks is legendary. Okay, bit of a click there. Click there. This one. Oh, there we go. Got it open. You can see it's opening. That's as far as I want to take it in case like I said, I break this. I mean, it wasn't that expensive, but even so, I don't like breaking things. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.